Way back in the Jurassic times of the late 60s, the real Guess Who was working on an album. I say real because I'm not referring to that traveling karaoke clown act that's out there these days calling itself the Guess Who, but we know who sang the songs, don't we? So we were working on an album, we were working on the American Woman album. Oh, and by the way, first person that yells for American Woman tonight will be escorted bodily out. Just think of that for a second. That record is all guitars and drums. But there's always some dork sitting there, American Woman! American Woman! So yeah, I'm supposed to sit here alone at a piano and go, Thank you. So, as I say, the Jurassic times of the 1960s, and Randy Bachman came over to my mother's house. You know, this is so long ago, I hadn't even left home yet. Randy had a song and I had a song, and they were both in the same key, and when we got into the studio with our producer Jack Richardson, Randy and I had the idea maybe squash the two songs together. And our producer thought it was a fairly decent idea. Well, you know what? It's 47 years later, and they're still playing those two songs squashed together on the radio, so it must have been a fairly decent idea. No, it's just boring old club soda. So, with that in mind, Randy and I sat at my mother's little upright piano, and we squashed the two songs together. And this is kind of the way they sounded that Saturday morning, oh so long ago.
Quiet movements I can find.
the things I say. Hasn't got the faith or the guts to leave or maybe standing in each other's way. Drifting back now to places you've been to, wonder what you're gonna find. Know you've been wrong, but it won't be long before you leave them all far behind. 'Cause you feel Mother Nature taking over. You splendid lady, come. Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's getting us all. Trouble saying no when I came back last time. It's something like I lost a friend. The leaves calling till the sky is falling and I'm getting pretty near the end. Smoke filled the room in a corner basement. The situation must be right. Bag of goodies and a bottle of wine. We're gonna get it on right tonight. Don't you see Mother Nature taking over? You splendid lady, come on. Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's getting us all. Only feeling deep inside. Down the corner, where I've been high. Silent footsteps, crowding me. Sudden darkness, but I can see 'cause Mother Nature taking over. You splendid lady, come. Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all.